Hey everybody, it's Maria Brophy, and I'm going to tell you 3 reasons why your art is not selling. Now, if you're an artist who has put themselves out there, and that means something different to everyone, and you're not getting sales, there's 3 things I want you to ask yourself because these are clues as to why you're not selling art. Number one, are you really getting your art out there? Are you showing your art to high volume number of people? You know, for every 500 people that see your art, you're going to get maybe 1 or 2 buyers in the beginning if you are new to selling art. Selling art is a numbers game. How do you show it to a lot of people? You have to either be really good on social media, and some of you don't like social media. So, okay, if you aren't really good on social media, then you have to get out there and do art shows and talk to people about your art and find opportunities to show your art at trade shows, at conventions, at events. And hey, why am I not mentioning art galleries? That's a whole nother topic. But because really, if you want to get your art out there, think about who aligns with your art. What is it that you're creating? What's the theme of your art? What type of person would be attracted to your art? Is it a lifestyle type art? Is it landscapes? Is it of wild animals? Really ask yourself, what is it about? What type of people, what sort of lifestyle do they live that are attracted to that theme that is in your art? Find out where they go and then go there and show your art. Now, there's a lot more to say on this topic, but I am just covering the 3 reasons your art is not selling. And I'm going to recap. Number one, you're just not showing it to enough people. Number two, is that maybe you aren't making it available at a reasonable or proper price. Now, if you are new and your art is painted on canvas board and you're trying to put really high prices on it, you're not going to sell it. Okay. You have to have your prices be in alignment with the medium that you use, the type of materials you use, and then also your audience. So, what do I mean by that? If you want to sell art at a higher price to people who buy luxury items, you have to create art that is in alignment with that and use materials that are of super high quality, as an example. Now, if you are creating art that, let's say you're creating art that would only appeal to people that can't afford very much, and you're putting a high price on it, that's not going to work. So, really pay attention to your pricing strategy. Okay. And number three, what are you doing to make people feel good when they're around you? Because people have to like you to like your art. Are you being kind? Are you talking to them? When you show your art, do you go out of your way to make people understand it better, to talk about it, to communicate the meaning behind it? And look, your art doesn't have to have any deep meaning to it to be able to talk about it. Let's say you paint landscapes, and let's say you live in San Clemente, California, which is my hometown, and you're painting landscapes of the ocean, of the mountains, of everything in San Clemente. And you're doing plein air painting and you're outside and people come by and they're watching you paint. Are you taking the time to tell them what made you want to paint the pier in San Clemente? Maybe there's a story behind it. And that story goes back to when you were a child and your father used to take you to the pier, or maybe you just love the beach and whatever. There's always a story behind everything that you do. And take the time to tell those stories. You have to be likable. And if you are an introvert, that's okay. I married an introvert artist, highly introverted. My husband, Drew Brophy, is very introverted, but he's learned how to talk to people. Why did he learn how to talk to people? Because his art is what has supported our family of four in a beach town for the last almost 3 decades. And he had to learn how to talk to people about his art so that he could sell it. Look, how do you make people like you so that they like your art? Make them feel good when they're in your presence. Now, if what I'm sharing with you is new to you, or if it's intriguing you, or if you're saying, ah, that's something I could work on, I want you to click the follow button. And while you're down there, check out the links in the show notes, in the description of this video. Check out the links and see how we can work more directly together in my mastermind, because in my mastermind it's full of artists who are doing all these things and they are making sales and they are making their artist dreams come true. So check it out and I'll see you in the next video. And hey, leave me a comment if any of this triggered you or inspired you or kind of pissed you off because you don't want to do what I'm telling you to do. That's okay. Leave me a comment and let's talk about it. I love you. I really do. I care about you and I want to see you make it. Have a great rest of your day. Ciao.